Right, so here we are, and I believe it's autumn because it's September. And we've got all the usual suspects here. And we've got a special visit from one half of Peters and Lee, who I'm sure will get stick throughout the night, but we'll hear more from him in a minute. So I'll kick off with a little song. When summertime has gone, and autumn winds are threatening to blow our love away, 'tis then love will be tested. Arm in arm we'll stand, side by side together, to face the common foe that will tear our love asunder. Tooraloo-a-lie, tooraloo-a-laddie, tooraloo-a-lie, sing tooraloo-a-lie. You fair weather friends, where are you now? I need you, gone like the autumn wind on dark December mornings, when our times come around like cold or stormy weather. There's only you and I, my love, to shelter one another. Tooraloo-a-lie, tooraloo-a-laddie, tooraloo-a-lie, sing tooraloo-a-lie. There's a time to fight, there's a time for healing, as the sun melts the snow on warm bright April mornings. Our fighters run his course, now's the time for healing. Then let us both embrace sweet reconciliation. Tooraloo-a-lie, tooraloo-a-laddie, tooraloo-a-lie, sing tooraloo, tooraloo-a-lie, tooraloo-a-laddie, tooraloo-a-lie, sing tooraloo.
Hurrah! Hurrah!
Oh, lovely, John.
Well held, sir.
How
is he?
Broke a fingernail again, haven't
Catching
you?
on my nail. Hang on, I've just got a bit catching on my nail though, just sticking on that string. Right. Okay, where we are? Oh, we are now at Ray Charles, Stevie Wonder, Peters and Lee, the man with the Labrador. Here he is, Mr. Michael Hawkins.
I've just got a bit of light sensitivity in my eye, that's all. So, and the way I've set this up, there's quite a bright light just above the laptop, so it shines right in your eyes, and it's a bit uncomfortable. That's why I'm wearing sunglasses. I'm not doing any impressions.
Can you read your crib sheet, or are you going to have to learn the
Difficult,
words
it's
tonight?
difficult. If I go it wrong tonight, you know why. Yeah. This is called A Sailor's Life, and it's all about the sailor and his life. So a sailor's life is a merry life. He robs young girls of their heart's delight, leaving them behind to weep and mourn, never knowing when they will return. There's 24, all in a row, and my love makes the finest show. He's proper tall, genteel withal, and if I'll not have him, I'll have none at all. Oh, Father, build me a bonny boat, that on the ocean I may float, and every queen ship that we pass by I will inquire for my sailor boy. They had not been long on the deep when a queen ship they chanced to meet. You sailors all, please tell me true, does my sweet William sail among your crew? Oh no, fair maid, he is not here, for he is drowned, we greatly fear. By yon green island as we pass by, there we lost sight of your sailor boy. Well, she wrung her hands and she tore her hair, just like a young girl in great despair, and her little boat on the rocks did run. How can I live now my sweet William is gone? A sailor's life is a merry life. He robs young girls of their heart's delight, leaving them behind to weep and mourn, never knowing when they will return, never knowing
Brilliant, Mike. Fabulous. Didn't need your crib seat, you see?
You could almost be there, couldn't you?
Yeah. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
You see, you're better, Mike, when you're not reading it. You put more into it when you're not reading it.
So you need to wear the dark glasses always now.
To be honest,
An idea, I might just do that.
to be honest, I thought you were going to start singing Superstition.
It's all been done, John.
Happy birthday's the one I would have sung, if anything.
Oh, right, okay.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Never
Oh,
mind.
he's got it. There you go.
Alan, can you move Warbit up
Oh, I don't know. How much is it worth, John, to move you up? Where's he going?
just before you?
Oh,
Oh, there he is. Look. I'll follow John with a bucket and shovel.
thank you kindly.
There he is.
Of course, the star of the show will be up shortly. She's just tidying up a bit downstairs. So.
What, clearing up your mess?
Clearing up wine again, was it?
Oh,
No,
not
no,
another
no,
bucket.
not
Sure.
yet. Yes, positive. I have not. I'm only into my second glass by a little drop now. So I've had a hell of a day. That's why I was
Oh,
late.
dear.
It's the third drop that makes you fall over.
Yes. Right, I'm going to shut up so you can get on with it.
Right, where are we now? Oh, we've got an early slot for Gaffer tonight.
Hello, you very often hear that you go out for a nice Italian. You never seem to go out for a nasty Italian because you never hear of nasty Italians. Well, there was one, and here's a song about it. La-da-da-da, la-da-la-da-da, la-da-la-da-da, la-la. He lost his morals early when he first went on the take. He lost his army in the desert, lost his navy by mistake. Lost his air force over Malta because it seemed a piece of cake. Never was a loser like Mussolini. We had pasta for our breakfast, we had pizza for our tea, and at night a great big dish of Mussolini. When he heard that Abyssinia had no army, had no guns, Benny thought a harmless war might just provide some harmless fun. Oh, at the sight of Archie Wavell, you should see Benito run. Jesse Owens couldn't have caught Mussolini. We had pasta for our breakfast, we had pizza for our tea, and at night a great big dish of Mussolini. Now his economic policy was hardly worth a dime, but anyone would think that killing people was a crime. And at least you must admit he got the trains to run on time. Just that ticket, you can stick it. Mussolini. We had pasta for our breakfast, we had pizza for our tea, and at night a great big dish of Mussolini. He'd stand on hidden boxes and stick out his great big chin, puff out his barrel chest and tuck his flabby backside in, and hope nobody would notice he was uglier than sin. Bald, fat, ugly little short ass Mussolini. We had pasta for our breakfast, we had pizza for our tea, and at night a great big dish of Mussolini. Now him and Uncle Adolf made a far from pretty pair, but to contradict the Fuhrer, our Benito wouldn't dare. His influence was falling even faster than his hair, and that fell fast enough off Mussolini. We had pasta for our breakfast, we had pizza for our tea, and at night a great big dish of Mussolini. When the Allies captured Benny, with the fall of Italy, Hitler sent his paratroopers in to set the Duce free. But once he started prattling, Adolf wished he'd let him be. Even Hitler couldn't silence Mussolini. We had pasta for our breakfast, we had pizza for our tea, and at night a great big dish of Mussolini. Now Mussolini's bodyguard is not a happy man, For to hide the Duce's whereabouts is difficult to plan. When his chin rolls up in Rome before his arse has left Milan. Ah, can't be easy trying to hide. Ah, Mussolini. We had pasta for our breakfast. We had pizza for our tea. And at night a great big dish of Mussolini. Now I wouldn't shed a tear if I found out that Benny died. Although me eyes might moisten at the undertaker's plight. For to get him in his box, they'll have to stand the sod upright, for he's wider than he's tall. He's Mussolini. We had pasta for our breakfast, we had pizza for our tea, and at night a great big dish of Mussolini. Macaroni, tortiglioni, cannelloni, prosciutto, pappardelle, campanelle, tagliatelle, cinzano. Bresaola, pizzaiola, gorgonzola, prosecco, and at night a great big dish of Mussolini.
There you go. There you go.
I didn't see that ending coming, did you?
Più muscle man on
Fibre.
troppo.
Very high in fibre, apparently, Mussolini. Yeah, good for you. Gives you the shits.
I've just
I've just had Alan. I've just had a message from Storm. He's got to leave about 9:30. Can we
Oh,
slide him up, say between Paul Clark or Paul Clack, as he is known these days? That's it. That'll do.
and
Yeah.
is he and
Okay,
Joff?
Storm?
Is he and Joff? There he is. Are you
Right,
okay with that?
Thank you very much for that accommodation.
There he goes.
No
Promotion at
problem,
last.
Storm. Alan.
Hello. Have you muted everyone? Cool on.
I've just muted Gaffer. I just need to do myself.
Okay, cheers. This is I've done these at Dragon's Breath. It's one I used to do with Fox Firkin, and when I first heard it, you don't really know the words, do you? And it's called Charlie Oh Charlie, and I just thought it was about the Jacobites and Bonnie Prince Charlie, but it's not actually. Charlie's a farmhand, and it's the farmer giving a list of instructions what to do while he's away looking around Scotland. Called Charlie Oh Charlie. Oh Charlie, come off from Pitguy, and I'll give you out all your order. For I'm on a war over yon Heeland Hill, for a while to leave the bonny Buchan border. Oh Charlie, take notice what I say, and keep every man to his station. For I'm on a war over yon Heeland Hills, for to view all the parts of our nation. To the Lucid Yolford Shaw, Yolford Sanderson to call, to the Colin Yolford old Andrew Kindness. You'll get old Collie Hall, I to feed the threshing mill, and you see that he does it with great kindness. Oh Charlie, come more from Pitguy, and I'll give you out all your orders. For I'm on a war over yon Heeland Hills, for a while to leave the bonny Buchan border. To the Lucin Yolford Shaw, the Yolford Sanderson to call, to the Colin Yolford old Andrew Kindness. You'll get old Collie Hall, I to feed the threshing mill, and you see that he does it with great kindness. To the gathering of the hay, Yolford little eyes are grey, and with her you'll put her cousin Peggy. And in below the bands is there you put your hands, and just see that they do it right tidy. Oh Charlie, come all from Pidguy, and I'll give you out all your orders. For I'm on a war over yon Heelan hills, for a while to leave the bonny Buchan borders. And you, Jenny Todd, you'll put on a muckle pot, and you'll make milk porridge a plenty. For young hungry browsers that's coming from Pidguy, they'll keep it so clean and so scanty. Oh Charlie, come all from Pidguy, and I'll give you out all your orders. For I'm on a war over yon Heelan hills, for a while to leave the bonny Buchan borders.
Oh, like that one.
That's lovely.
Leslie likes that one even more because that's where my dad comes from. Up
Isn't
that
it?
area.
You have to be careful when you say bonny Buchan borders, because
People are just
when I
thinking,
used to do it with Nick, we used to look at each other all the time because, you know, enunciation's very important on that song.
Yeah.
It's a bit like the pirate, you know, where's your Buccaneers?
That's right, yeah.
Same gag. Gwyn, I think we've got Gwyn's poem, haven't we? Alan?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got Gwyn's poem. I'll wake myself up a little bit.
Yeah, come on, get a grip, man.
Well, if everybody would like to mute themselves and give me a couple of seconds to share the screen, it'll be coming through.
He's looking smooth with the beard now.
Oh, well, yeah, right. Well, just mute yourselves till after the event and then have a go at him then. Hang on a minute.
Well, here I am back from Deep South. I enjoyed last week's session on the YouTube. It's a really nice experience to watch the whole show on the YouTube thing. Sad week. It's just flashed up on the screen that Charlie Waters passed away. This is bits of our youth, our teenage rebellion slowly slipping away. Other interesting facts of the week is that in South Wales now, hang on, where is it? Aberogwr, Ogmore-on-Sea. It's to the west of Cardiff on the south coast of Wales. A bottle was fished out of the water which had been thrown in by some Canadian fishermen in Newfoundland. And it had travelled all the way across the sea to Wales. So our Canadian contributors can know that this bottle travelled all that distance. Now, we live in troubled times, and this is extreme in a sense, but it's been prompted by the world we live in. And it's a poem by Marion McIntyre Hughes, and it's called SOS Olar Saeson. The English is last SOS. SOS Olar Saeson. Nid yw heddiw'n bod iddynt. Hen frwydrau, dyddiau ddoe ydynt. Geiriau gwag, rhyw gewri gynt, yn neuaddau'r hyn oeddynt. Dan y fawd mae Prydain fach, brau yw tôn rŵl Britannia mwyach. A lliwiau grym Lloegr iach, yn allwedd I ddim bellach. O rywle dros orwelion a hun nos I gynesu'r galon, heno daeth yn sŵn y don, SOS Olar Saeson. Diolch.
Oh yes.
Is that a modern writing to do with Afghanistan, Gwyn, or is it?
Well, yes, it just seems so incredibly relevant in the fact that America has taken its toys home, and global Britain has nothing to say. We can't do anything. We are not the power we thought we were. Now, there's a chance to learn. You see, the Welsh have lived under this kind of misapprehension for many, many years, and the English could do a lot. They could learn a lot from how to gracefully slide.
We're going to stop him there, aren't we?
Aye. Oh, you carry
keep
on, Gwen.
You keep that box of matches dry, Gwyn. That's the thing.
Well, I'm going to use some napalm, I think. The smell of napalm in the morning.
Not Maybe on Glyndor, Napalm Glyndor. Yeah, that's it. Anyway.
My wife was Lucinda was a member of that when I first met her, and she ended up marrying an Englishman. How about that? Eh?
Well, it's no problem. It's nothing personal.
No, actually, Gwen,
infiltration is
I
quite a good way of doing
you.
it, isn't it?
I agree with you totally. Actually,
She probably thought of herself as a missionary, Alan. That's the point.
yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Is that the position she used?
Get on with the neighbours, and you have a nice time. You know, you get on with the neighbours. It's
Absolutely.
when you pretend you don't exist. That's the one that gets you.
I see that. Yeah, I totally get that, Gwen.
I'll mute him. I'll mute him. If he goes off on one, I'll mute him.
Come on, Gwen.
Where are we now? Where are we now? Oh,
In
we're
America,
Gwen, keep it going, mate.
up in the
Hurry up,
northeast.
both.
I love talking to Brian and Sue. It's a bit like watching an episode of Vera, isn't it?
My favourite detective, Vera.
Oh, please do.
In America, we're just learning how to ignore the Constitution and write directives.
Right. Okay, Brian and Sue.
Right, thanks, John.
Thank you.
I was going to mention we watched it was a live YouTube thing from our club last night with Jez Lowe on, and he sang "Talk to Me Dirty" and Geordie, and he forgot the words twice.
Bless him.
Anyhow,
Never mind. It's a good concert.
we're not going to sing that. This is it's a song called "Everybody Hurts." You might have heard it from REM, but the way we're doing it's based on the Corrs version.
When the day is long and the night is yours alone. When you're sure you've had enough of this life, well, hang on. Don't let yourself go. 'Cause everybody cries and everybody hurts sometimes. Sometimes everything is wrong. Now it's time to sing along. When your day is night, hold on. If you feel like letting go, if you think you've had too much of this life, well, hang on. Oh no, don't throw your hand if you feel like you're alone. No, 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 you're not alone. If you're on your own in this life, the days and nights are long. When you think you've had too much of this life to hang on. Well, everybody hurts sometimes, everybody cries sometimes, everybody hurts sometimes. Everybody hurts sometimes. So hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, 'cause no, you're not alone.
Whoa!
Wow.
Thanks, Sue. Good job.
Lovely. Sue, your voice has, don't take this the wrong way, an intimate quality. It sounds like you're singing that for me, you know, and I'm sure everybody else feels
You're
the
right.
same
It's better than what Mr. Stripes in it to me. That's the fun.
Oh, yeah. That was
Thank you.
delightful.
Thanks, Alan.
Yeah.
It's the nearest I'm going to get to being talked dirty to, isn't it?
I remember a switchboard operator at Pontins when it first opened up. She was from the northeast, and you turn up there, and I knew, I was all coy because I knew she was going to say, "What can I do for you, pet?" And that one word, "pet," oh, lovely.
You're
I
easy,
would go
please.
into a fit of giggles, as you do.
What else
Right,
you got
gonna-
then, you two?
Right,
Thanks,
this is
thanks,
going to do
John.
another Lindisfarne song. I'm sure you have heard this one. It's called Lady Eleanor.
Oh, yes. Sorry. Oh, shut up.
It is significantly changed because we haven't got a mandolin player in our duo.
Do you want me to get mine?
Wonder if you can play the same version as us.
I'd play mine, only I lent it to Jeff Blythen about 20 years ago and never got it back.
Oh,
Get your ukulele, John.
As she played magicians sitting lotus on the floor, belly dancing beauty with a power-driven song. Had my share of nightmares, didn't think it could be much more. Then in walked Roderick Usher with the Lady Eleanor. She tied my eyes with the ribbon of a silken ghostly thread. I gazed with troubled vision on an old four-poster bed, where Eleanor had risen to kiss the neck below my head, and bid me come along with her to the land of the dancing dead. But it's alright, Lady Eleanor. Alright, Lady Eleanor. I'm alright where I am. She gazed with love and beauty like a mother to a son, like living, dying, seeing, being all rolled into one. Then all at once I heard some music playing in my bones, the same old song I'd heard for years, reminding me of home. But it's alright, Lady Eleanor. Alright, Lady Eleanor. I'm alright where I am. Then creeping on towards me, licking lips with tongues of fire, a host of golden demons screaming lust and base desire. And when it seemed for certain that the screams could get no higher, I heard a voice above the rest screaming, you're alive. But it's alright, Lady Eleanor. Alright, Lady Eleanor. I'm alright here in your arms.
Wow.
Is there any chance you could follow the clear white light?
Fabulous.
You're getting too good for us now.
Will you do the Fog on the Tynes, all mine next
Yeah, go
week?
on.
Clear white light.
Oh, I don't know that one.
Oh, learn it, learn it.
That was just
Oh, we can
tremendous.
see Dave.
Wonderful.
Because Dave Costello used to
Oh,
sing.
there's a Dave Costello. Is he
There's a
able to
wave,
speak?
Dave.
Hello, David.
Hello.
Hey!
Oh.
To see you, Dave.
Oh, but that was, I'm not singing, no. That was brilliant.
There we are.
Thank you very
Brilliant.
much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Like I chatted to you before, your previous song, you don't hear on the radio. You don't hear
Everybody
anywhere.
Hurts.
It is a superb song.
Yeah.
Brilliant. I hope you can get over to Rill. Yeah,
No,
you go
we
down
we
a-
will.
We
Oh,
would be delighted to. Believe me.
Maybe
would be
sometime.
No,
delighted.
I'm not part of the committee or anything. I'm just one of the lowly.
He's a stalwart. David's
Yeah.
a stalwart.
They have got
Actually,
they have got the bloody word's gone there. They've got an invitation.
oh
And they've
yes.
free board and lodgings here if they want. So, well, that's
We've
it.
made a commitment. We're definitely coming. We just don't know when.
It is lovely.
Great.
Thank you, John.
You're bloody miles away, John.
Well, I'm going to be driving there.
Ah. Well, after one of your curries? Oh.
He's got good air conditioning.
Where are we now? Oh, we're moving down south, aren't we? Down to
Paul Clack.
We don't
Paul
talk.
Clack.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Right. Well, another musical loss this week. Nothing as famous as Charlie Watts, as some of you will have known. Rich Galloway, who was from the US, but appeared on many Zooms. Who announced he had terminal cancer in June, and he died yesterday. So although this is a leaving song, really, I've kind of put it in now, and I've adjusted some of the words to suit. It's Pasto Farewell. It is time to go now. Haul away your anchor. Haul away your anchor. 'Tis our sailing time. Put the sails upon her. Haul away your halyards. Haul away your halyards. 'Tis our sailing time. Set her on her course now. Haul away your foresheets. Haul away your foresheets. 'Tis our sailing time. Till the seas run under. Haul away down channel. Haul away down channel on the evening tide. As we part the ways here, haul away in harmony. Haul away in harmony, and richer than we came. Fair winds and shelter, wherever the haven, wherever the haven you are heading for. Now your journey's over. Haul away safe homeward. Haul away safe homeward, our friend in song. No more stormy waters, sailing on forever, sailing on forever in the great beyond. Sail on, Rich.
That was lovely. Lovely, Paul.
Had almost a Dave Pike feel to it. It was down there.
Almost a what? Yeah, no, it's slightly deep for me, but yes.
Lovely, thank you.
Can you? You must have guitar strings like sausages on that.
No, they're not particularly. I mean, four of them are relatively standard.
Are they floppy doppy? Are they really slack? No,
not at
you
all.
feel
No,
okay.
I can't afford to do that because the.
Can you capo them? Can you capo them?
I've lost the decent classical guitar. Well, I've mislaid the decent classical guitar capo I've got. So
I know who'll have
I've never
stolen
tried
that.
it, and I have great difficulty because of that thing being one tone out. Everyone sort of merrily says, "Oh, we'll play along in C," and I try it, and I of course have to play in B flat with an E flat and all that sort of stuff. Which I mean, with a capo would be so much easier.
If your capo's disappeared, Hayden Smith will have it.
Allegedly.
Yeah, sorry, yeah.
Storm.
Hi there. Thank you for that sad news, Paul. I'd been getting updates from multiple sources, but none of them had yet written me to let me know he had died. If you have anything more formal, if you could email me it, I would appreciate it.
No, nothing more. I know nothing more than that.
Okay. Okay, well, August 30th was Mariah's birthday. I was supposed to have a Zoom with her. Haven't really seen her in many months, and I got several confirmations that the Zoom would be happening, but then they never installed Zoom on her tablet, and the backup camera phone wasn't working, so I didn't get to Zoom with her. I haven't physically been with her in 20 months. So I put this little piece together for that, but the song is for all of us, and it's definitely a good song to sing after hearing that news about Rich, who I actually knew before Zoom. Okay. Emotional conundrums. I am your father. I have not been with you in 20 months. You are 36 years old. You are 18 to 23 months young. You speak to me with your eyes. You have never said a word. I cannot hold you from these many miles away. I hold you every second in my heart. Grief. If I could just wash off this pain like blood, which stain lasts longer? Out, damn spot, out of heart, of eyes, of jaw. Someday a smile, one day a laugh, someday not yet. Triceratops, Triceratops. Mariah moves and grooves and bips and bops with her toy. Triceratops, with her toy. Triceratops. Child, she darts around the room like dragonfly wings. This time, though, darning needle sews shut her mouth. In silence lasting even long after head bangs, almost as loud as one word, autistic. All God's children got to sing and shout. Sing a song in the morning. Breathe in air, then let it out. Oh, do it now. All God's children got to all God's children got to start to pray. Pray for peace in the morning. Search for light in every day. Oh, do it now. All God's children got to do a dance. Dance for joy in the morning. Shake their feet and take a chance. Oh, do it now. All God's children got to know to cry. Cry sometimes in the morning. Feel with people, view the sky. Oh, do it now. All God's children got to learn to laugh. Laugh with love in the morning. Follow a steep, windy path. Oh, do it now. All God's children got to sing and shout. Shout with joy. All God's children got to sing and shout. Sing a song in the morning. Breathe in air, then let it out. Oh, do it now. Oh, do it now. Oh, do it now. Rich Galway Presente.
Oh, that's lovely.
There we are.
Well, thank you, Storm. Thank you. And we've got another big white beard coming up.
Can we take the gnome off and put Jeff on, please? You know the oh no, it's sorry, the other way around, is it? Is the gnome based on you, Jeff? That's what I'd like to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because in the winter he's Father Christmas, and in the summer he's a wizard.
I asked the question wrong, actually. It should have been, is Jeff based on the gnome?
Yeah.
Possibly, but I don't know.
He does ventriloquism as well, doesn't he?
It does, yeah. Where's his? He got a hand, that's the thing.
You all moaned last week when I said nothing. Now I'm here speaking. Shut up.
Thank you, well done. You're better then, Izzy. You're feeling better.
No.
Get off, Izzy. Go on, get off.
Feeding the dog. Tiny
Come on here, Jeff, not you.
I've gone, Alan. I've gone.
Right. Thank you. Sadly in the morning mist, lying on the water, Captain Moonlight waiting for the dawn. And softly like a baby's breath, breeze begins to whisper, the sun is coming quick, you must be gone. And smiling like a superstar, the morning comes a-singing the promise of another sunny day. And all the flowers open up and gather in the sunshine. I do believe that summer's here to stay. And oh, I love the life within me. I feel a part of everything I see. And oh, I love the life around me. I feel a part of everything in me. Riding like a tapestry for all there is to see. So many ways and oh so many things. Rejoicing in the differences. There's no one just like me. For as different as we are, we're still the same. And oh, I love the life within me. I feel a part of everything I see. And oh, I love the life around me. A part of everything is here in me. A part of everything is here in me.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Nice one, Jeff.
I'd like to hear lots more from you, Jeff, and a lot less from your missus.
That'll be impossible.
You know, when we're together again, Shepherd, you're dead. I love you,
Thank you,
John.
Jeff. I'm intrigued by Brian's sort of backdrop. It looks a bit like Bobby Ball on a bad day that stood behind him.
I reckon it's Russell Grant.
Where are we?
Who is it, Brian?
Well, the song I'm going to sing is a biographical song about myself, and it's called.
That doesn't look like you, Brian.
No.
Yeah. Well, that's when I was younger and had different hair.
Don't believe
Anyway,
it for 1 second.
You had a lot more weight by the looks of it as well, Brian.
Anyway, the song's called "I Don't Look Good Naked Anymore."
I can go with that one.
I stepped out of the shower and got a good look at myself. Pot belly and grey hair, man, I thought I was somebody else. I caught my reflection in the mirror on the back of my bathroom door, and I just don't look good naked anymore. No, I don't look good naked anymore. I'm a deep-fried, double-wide version of the man I was before. If I keep on like I'm doing, I won't fit through the door, and I don't look good naked anymore. So I'm going upstairs to turn my bedroom mirror to the wall. I hung it there back when I was trim and tall. I would stand there and smile and flex and strut until my arms could sore. But I don't look good naked anymore. No, I don't look good naked anymore. I'm a deep fried, double wide version of the man I was before. If I keep on like I'm doing, I won't fit through the door, and I don't look good naked anymore. I used to go out with the girls, I love them one and all. Now they don't get very close to me, they're afraid that I might fall. No, I don't look good naked anymore. I'm a deep fried, double wide version of the man I was before. If I keep on like I'm going, I won't fit through the door, and I don't look good naked anymore. I went to see my doctor for my annual medical exam. I stood there in the bath when suddenly he said, "Man," I said, "What is it, doc? Is it some fatal disease? I need to know the score." He said, "No, you just don't look good naked anymore." No, I don't look good naked anymore. I'm a deep fried, double wide version of the man I was before. If I keep on like I'm going, I won't fit through the door, and I don't look good naked anymore. Me and my wife had a dancing style. The folks said it was unique. Now it's only when we're back to back that we're dancing cheek to cheek. No, I don't look good naked anymore. I'm a deep fried, double wide version of the man I was before. If I keep on like I'm going, I won't fit through the door, and I don't look good naked anymore. Well, I went to a nudist beach to have some seaside fun, stretched out in my birthday suit, soaking up the sun. Then somebody yelled, "There's an old white whale washed up on the shore." Sure, I don't look good naked anymore. No, I don't look good naked anymore. I'm a deep fried, double wide version of the man I was before. If I keep on like I'm going, I won't fit through the door, and I don't look good naked anymore. Yeah, my arches fell, and my waist went to hell, and my butt is dragging to the floor. I just don't look good naked anymore. Yes, I don't look good naked anymore. No, I don't look good naked anymore. I'm a deep fried, double wide version of the man I was before. If I keep on like I'm going, I won't fit through the door, and I don't look good naked anymore.
Back end on that one, big finish, big back end, lovely.
I think I preferred Helen and Mike's version of that last week, the country version.
Ah, yeah. Is that actually you, Brian?
Just a picture I found on the internet.
There we are. You see, the truth will out.
Chaz and Jan have joined us. Are you singing tonight or not? You couldn't make your mind up last night. Yeah. Well, you think you are, but I might not give you a spot.
Gosh, he's cruel, isn't he?
I suppose we better slide them in before you, Ellen.
Well, we could have a vote on it. I think they'll be in.
Oh, juggle, juggle, juggle. There they go.
Right, where are we now?
Hello, Chaz and Jan.
Yeah, before we move on to Mike and Helen, a bit of housekeeping. Andrew I think Leslie's doing the blog this week. Is that okay? Can you give me a thumbs up? Yeah. So I did it last week. Takes me ages to write stuff out. I'm not very good on a keyboard, I've got to say. And in fact, I always thought...
You're not very good full stop, John.
I always thought that / meant pissing on your shoes.
You made it all up anyhow.
It's the best bit.
What's a backslash then?
Don't.
Ask Alan. Don't ask Alan.
That's his party trick.
I'm not going to say anything about cap shift. That's all.
Alan and Mike.
Hello. Yeah. Okay. A couple of weeks ago, we had a request from Alan. Nevertheless, we're still coming back.
I'm chuffed.
Our slightly belated tribute to the Everleys. I nearly said Elevis.
When I want you in my arms, when I want you, and all your charms whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream, 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 dream. When I in the night and I need you to hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream. Dream, 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 dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream.
Fabulous.
Oh yeah.
Yay.
Well, about singing along, yeah.
Symboliau, diolch galon. Thank you very much.
Yeah, better late than never, but yeah, it was okay, that.
That was
Slow,
grand.
you know, we're a bit slow.
No, that was grand.
Certainly was.
You wouldn't think this was a man who'd started the set with a song called Reconciliation, would you?
Okay, something a little bit different. Hard times come again no more.
Oh,
That's a
indeed.
sentiment I'm sure we would all echo. Let us pause in life's pleasure and count its many tears, while we all sob sorrow with a pour. There's a song that will linger forever in our ears. Oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary. Hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door. Oh, hard times come again no more. While we seek mirth and beauty and music live and gay, there are frail forms fainting at the door. Though their voices are silent, their pleading looks will say, oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary. Hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door. Oh, hard times come again no more. There's a pale drooping maiden who toils her life away, with a worn heart whose better days are o'er. Though her voice would be merry, 'tis sighing all the day. Oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary. Hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door. Oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis a sigh that is wafted across the troubled way. 'Tis a wail that is heard upon the shore. 'Tis a dirge that is murmured around the lowly grave. Oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary. Hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door. Oh, hard times come again no more. Oh, hard times come again no more.
Oh, hallelujah, boy.
Lovely.
in the chorus from Prestatyn, were you?
I am so sorry. It's living proof, if proof were ever needed, that their choruses are contagious. The thing is, I'm the bloke that's supposed to keep an eye on muting, and it was me that was unmuted. I humbly apologise. It's
You are
terrible.
forgiven.
It did cause a laugh amongst the screens.
I'm very pleased. I noticed you laughing particularly, Manouche. I noticed that. You're in the book. Don't tell him, Pike. It's on the list.
It's the fact you come from Prestatyn that does it, Alan.
Well, I come from Rill, so don't hold that against me. I am a mere.
I am not holding anything against you, Alan.
I've lived in Prestatyn a mere 26 years.
Well, here's somebody who's lived in Canada for quite a long time, but a Geordie girl through and through.
All right. Okay, we're all set. There was a time in this fair land when the railroad did not run, when the wild, majestic mountains stood alone against the sun, long before the white man and long before the wheel, when the green, dark forest was too silent to be real. But time has no beginnings and the history has no bounds, as to this verdant country they came from all around. They sailed upon her waterways and they walked the forest tall, built the mines, the mills, and the factories for the good of us all. And when the young man's fancy turned into the spring, the railroad men grew restless for to hear the hammers ring. Their minds were overflowing with their visions of the day, and many a fortune lost and won, and many a debt to pay. For they looked in the future, and what did they see? They saw an iron road running from sea to the sea, bringing the goods to a young growing land, all up through the seaports and into their hands. Look away, said they, across this mighty land, from the eastern shore to the western strand. Bring in the workers and bring up the rails. We gotta lay down the tracks and tear up the trails. Open your heart, let the lifeblood flow. Gotta get on our way, 'cause we're moving too slow. Behind the blue Rockies, the sun is declining. The stars, they come stealing at the close of the day. Across the wide prairies, our loved one lies sleeping. Beyond the dark ocean, in a place far away, we are the navvies who work upon the railway, swinging our hammers in the bright blazing sun. Living on stew and drinking bad whiskey, bending our backs till the long days are done. We are the navvies who work upon the railway, swinging our hammers in the bright blazing sun, laying down track and building the bridges, bending our backs till the railroad is done. So it's over the mountains and over the plains, into the muskeg and into the rain, up the St. Lawrence all the way to Gaspé, swinging our hammers and drawing our pay, driving them in and tying them down, away to the bunkhouse and into the town. $1 a day and a place for my head, a drink to the living, a toast to the dead. For there was a time in this fair land when the railroad did not run, when the wild, majestic mountains stood alone against the sun. Long before the white man and long before the wheel, when the green, dark forest was too silent to be real, when the green, dark forest was too silent to be real, and many are the dead men too silent to be real. Gordon Lightfoot.
I love the tempo change in that. Brilliant.
Canadian Railroad Trilogy, is that
That
Maureen?
was a splendid.
Yeah, I think
That's
we're
correct.
full marks for even attempting that song. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was something special there, Maureen. Thank you very much. Moving sideways on my screen, it's Jeff Durno.
Yes.
This is early.
I think we've got a boy chewing somewhere or whistling. A boy whistling. Can you stop whistling, whoever that boy is that's whistling? Thank you.
The elf's back, I see.
That's Jeff. The other one was the elf.
This is early Paxton. I followed her into the west. I followed her into the west, where I had never been before, and never did she see me there, as I stood helpless at her door. Each day my resolution rose, and every day an oath I swore. Tonight I'll stand and be a man. Tonight I'll knock upon her door. And shaved and pressed and cleaned and dressed, I'd start out on the quest once more. But each night ended as the rest. I could not knock upon her door. I paced my room and cursed myself, and swore that I would go no more. But as the sun was sinking low, I heard a knocking at my door. And standing there with food for me was standing there my heart's delight, who said, I thought you might be ill, for I missed you at my door tonight. Now you must rest and you must sleep, your resolution to restore. And when these dishes you return, be sure to knock upon my door.
Beautiful, Jeff.
Very nice.
What can I say, Jeff? That was wonderful. Thank you.
You don't need statins or blood pressure tablets, do you?
Just
all
get a
you
dose
don't.
of
You
Jeff
just need Jeff
Durno.
Durno. That's all you need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A box
Thanks,
of
that was-
Durnos. You could make a few bob selling a box of Durnos down the bus station.
Box of
Hey.
Durnos.
Trouble is, you've got to watch out for the police then, haven't you?
Well, Mickey Finn got away with it for years, so why not a box of Durnos?
Wonderful, wonderful.
Right, thanks. That was lovely, Jeff. Ian.
There we go. Okay, here's another tribute to the Everly Brothers. This was the first UK hit for them in 1957, and it's Bye Bye Love. Bye bye love, bye bye happiness, hello loneliness, I feel I'm gonna cry. Bye bye love, bye bye sweet caress, hello emptiness, I feel like I could die. Goodbye my love, goodbye. There goes my baby with someone new. She sure looks happy, I sure am blue. She was my baby till he stepped in. Goodbye to romance that might have been. Bye bye love, bye bye happiness. Hello loneliness, I think I'm gonna cry. Bye bye love, bye bye sweet caress. Hello emptiness, I feel like I could die. Goodbye my love, goodbye. I'm through with romance, I'm through with love. I'm through with counting the stars above. And here's the reason that I'm so free. My loving baby is through with me. Bye bye love, bye bye happiness. Hello loneliness, I feel like I could cry. Bye bye love, bye bye sweet caress. Hello emptiness, I feel like I could die. Goodbye my love, goodbye. Goodbye my love, goodbye. Goodbye my love, goodbye. Thank you.
Yep.
Forgot to unmute myself there.
Oh dear.
Right, we have got Carol, preceded by John.
Sorry about that. I was trying to unmute myself, but I had a message over it that the person in charge wanted me to unmute. So it was his fault, Mr. John Shepherd. I noticed Leslie there, who'd stood up. She thought, God, it's John. I'm going out of the world now. I'm disappearing. I haven't done this for a while here. It's one of my Cornish songs, but it's not mine. Believe it or not, if I go down to Penzance, see, which I do regular like, and I decided to sing this song, and I heard mutterings from the back of the room saying, that was a Debener who wrote that. He's bloody Englishman. So I started singing it, and then when I said I'm leaving the county behind, I got said, we're not a bloody county. Bloody, not bloody, but bloody county, she said. This land is barren and broken, scored like the face of the moon. Our tongue is no longer spoken, towns all around us face ruin. Will there be work in New Brunswick? Will I find gold in the Cape? If I tunnel way down to Australia, oh, will I ever escape? Where there's a mine or a hole in the ground, that's where I'm heading for, that's where I'm bound. Look for me under the road or inside the vein, where the copper, the clay, where the arsenic and tin run in your blood, they get under your skin. I'm leaving this country behind, not coming back. So follow me down, Cousin Jack. Soil was too poor to make Eden, granite and sea left no choice. No visions of heaven sustained us, while John Wesley gave us a voice. Did Joseph once come to St. Michael's Mount, 2,000 years passing a dream, when you're working away in the darkness, deep in the heart of the sea? Where there's a mine or a hole in the ground, that's where I'm heading for, that's where I'm bound. Look for me under the load or inside the vein, where the copper, the clay, where the arsenic and tin run in your blood, they get under your skin. Leaving this country behind, not coming back. So follow me down, cousin Jack, to Canada, Australia, South America, South Africa. I'm leaving Camborne, Redruth, Keyboard and Clodgy. And a dream of a bridge on the Tamar, and it opens us up to the east. I see the English, they're living in our houses. I see the Spanish fishing in our seas. Where there's a mine or a hole in the ground, that's where I'm heading for, that's where I'm bound. Look for me under the load or inside the vein, where the copper, the clay, where the arsenic and tin run in your blood, they get under your skin. Leaving this country behind, not coming back. So follow me down, cousin Jack. Follow me down, cousin Jack. Follow me down.
Hey, not bad, John, not bad, mate.
I reckon you need a couple of Durnos after that.
Yeah, at least 2.
Calm you down.
I reckon 4 Durnos will calm me down after that one.
Can you put a bit more effort into it next time?
Yeah, you're not trying
Okay,
that, John.
I'll try my best.
Certainly the most impassioned
What
version of that
exactly
I've
are
ever heard.
Durnos?
I think the poet and Carol will calm it down.
We had the dancing gnome there, and we had some
Gaffer being hung by his arms.
He was, yeah. Crucified, I think, is the word you're looking for.
Okay, now that you've mentioned them twice, I have to inquire. What are Durnos?
Oh, Jeff Durno.
Durno above you, or as sang earlier, he's a very calming influence.
Yes.
Ah.
So if you get a bit het up like John does every now and then, you have to take a Durno.
Yeah.
This
It's
is
the relaxing effect of Jeff Durno's music that we're talking about, Storm. It's not available in tablet form, unfortunately.
Oh, Dave Costello's here. Great. Hi, Dave.
Yeah. But I have seen 1 or 2 mushrooms that look a bit like Jeff Durno, I have to say. I've not tasted one, though.
That could be a bit rude.
Cheers.
Could be. I might have to retire in high dudgeon and compose a suitable reply to that.
He might have been on the mushrooms though when he saw
Come
them.
on, we want Carol. We want Carol.
Monsieur Champignon. Yeah, we want Carol. Carol, bring a bit of order to the proceedings, please.
You're joking.
I'll try with this one. It's called Bus Stop. Standing at the bus stop in the pouring rain, thinking I should have brought the car or maybe even caught a train. I'm trying to reduce my carbon footprint. I'm trying to do my bit, which is why I'm standing, getting cold and wet, on a road that's dimly lit. I keep looking up the road, hoping my bus will come into view. Forgetting that's the thing with buses, none, and then there's two. Waiting at a bus stop is fine when it is sunny. But in the pouring rain, well, it just isn't very funny. I've thought about walking home, but it really is too far. Oh, bother my carbon footprint. I wish I'd brought the car. But just as it stops raining, my bus I now can see. So I'll soon be home and dry, having a lovely hot cup of tea. However, as I am an honest person, the truth, it must be told. This is all in my imagination. I haven't been on a bus since I was about 30 years old. Thank you.
Oh, very good.
John, is it a buzz where you come from?
Pardon?
No, John Shepherd, is it a buzz?
Oh, right.
No, it's a bus.
It's a bus.
US bus.
Wow.
What's wrong
part
with
of
you,
the-
man?
It's a bus wherever you come from, Alan.
No, I think it must be
Some
Yorkshire.
people
A
say
buzz.
a buzz.
Wetting pot buzz. A wetting pot buzz. It's Yorkshire. Sorry, John. No offence
Well,
meant.
What can you expect from Yorkshire folk? You know.
Oh.
I can expect the square meal every day. Thank you.
Ryan and Sue, what are you going to say to that?
Where are the Scallies tonight? We've no Scousers here.
I'm here.
There was talk of masks. That's what it was.
I thought you were Welsh or
Somebody else
Cornish.
you call me?
I'm Welsh and Cornish, yeah.
No, I meant Stuart and Edna. I was thinking about in particular.
Well, I'm a Scouser, won't I do?
Yeah, but they're professional Scousers.
All right, love, I'll leave you two with Ben, all right? I'm going back to answer on my handbag.
Hey, don't do.
Izzy is actually one of the Diddy men. She comes from Notty Ash.
No, Jeff's the Diddy man. I come from Woolton, dear, where it's very posh.
Oh, sorry, dear.
Hey, you don't sound posh to me, darling.
He's
Yeah.
the 6'2" Diddy man.
Right, come on, shut up, because I want
he ain't
to
very
get
dead,
twice
is he?
tonight. So we've got the Jenkins, and we've got Alan, and then we'll go round again. So if you can think of anything that's not too long, and we'll get round again. We're going over a bit late, but don't matter.
Right, so
Yes.
this is our last week before we return to our scouting activities next week. Like everything else in the world, the past 18 months has been really difficult where scouting is concerned. And one thing we've missed in particular is camping. And our best bit on the camp is always doing the campfire of an evening. And it's lovely when scouts join us and they come in sort of 10, 11-year-olds, quite shy. And by the time they're, sort of leaving through Explorers towards the end, they've gained their confidence and will sing out loud. And we just enjoy the camaraderie and the fun that we have.
Is this pushing the bloody damper in?
Oh yeah! Oh, it's King Ganguli Watcher.
Please.
Is it?
Oh, I'm off for a toilet break.
Well, no, we decided the disappearing song doesn't quite work, but we'll do a couple of our favourite campfire songs.
Yeah. So please do join in. It's not difficult. Okay. Oh, you never go to heaven.
Oh, you never go to heaven.
In a limousine.
In a limousine.
Because the Lord ain't got.
Because the Lord ain't got.
No gasoline.
No gasoline.
Oh, you never go to heaven in a limousine. Because the Lord ain't got no gasoline. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord no more.
I ain't gonna grieve my Lord. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord.
I ain't gonna grieve my Lord no more.
Oh, you never go to heaven.
Oh, you never go to heaven.
In a jumbo jet.
In a jumbo jet.
'Cause the Lord ain't got.
'Cause the Lord ain't got.
No runways yet.
No runways yet.
Oh, you never go to heaven in a jumbo jet. 'Cause the Lord ain't got no runways yet. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord no more. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord no more.
Oh, you never go to heaven.
Oh, you never go to heaven.
In a biscuit tin.
In a biscuit tin.
'Cause a biscuit tin.
'Cause a biscuit tin.
Got biscuits in.
Got biscuits in.
Oh, you never go to heaven in a biscuit tin. 'Cause a biscuit tin's got biscuits in. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord no more. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord no more.
Oh, you never go to heaven.
Oh, you never go to heaven.
With a dog as a pet.
With a dog as a pet.
'Cause the Lord ain't got.
'Cause the Lord ain't got.
No lamppost yet.
No lamppost yet.
Oh, you never go to heaven with a dog as a pet. 'Cause the Lord ain't got no lamppost yet. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord no more. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord no more.
Oh, you never go to heaven.
Oh, you never go to heaven.
In dirty jeans.
In dirty jeans.
'Cause the Lord ain't got.
'Cause the Lord ain't got.
No washing machines.
No washing machines.
Oh, you never go to heaven in dirty jeans. 'Cause the Lord ain't got no washing machines. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord no more. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord no more.
If you get there.
If you get there.
Before I do.
Before I do.
Just dig a hole.
Just dig a hole.
And pull me through.
And pull me through.
If you get there before I do, just dig a hole and pull me through. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord no more. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord. I ain't gonna grieve my Lord no more.
Woohoo! I can feel the flames crackling from here.
Talk about a sudden finish.
Yeah, come on, you could have given us some sort of clue that you were at the end there.
I was waiting for Izzy's bra. Because it won't go that far.
We've got quite a few versions.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of versions, aren't there? And all of the scouts have sung them. We know, we've been there.
Yep.
Thank you all for a lovely
I bet they don't know all the rude ones.
I do.
I do.
Bloody do.
We
Storm.
We thought
Storm's trying to say good night to us, I think.
Good night, Storm. Lots of love.
Hi, Storm. Good night, Storm.
It's hard to pull away, but I've got to. Thank you.
Take care.
Cheers.
Good night.
Good night.
Take care, matey.
Oh, everybody shuffled. Look at that.
Oh, bugger.
They're all in order.
the rather infamous song in Second Rill called Nobby All.
Which has got some very rude verses.
Well, it hasn't actually.
It hasn't. No, it's all innuendo.
Innuendo. But we ain't going to do that. We'll do another one instead.
Another one, like lots of folk songs, tells a story. Only this isn't really a folk song, but there we go.
And how would that be? Sorry.
Glory, glory, what a heck of a way to die. Suspended by your braces when you don't know how to fly. Glory, glory, what a heck of a way to die. And he ain't gonna jump no more. He landed on the pavement like a lump of strawberry jam.
He landed on the pavement like a lump of strawberry jam. He landed on the pavement like a lump of strawberry jam.
And he ain't gonna jump no more.
Glory, glory, what a heck of a way to die. Suspended by your braces when you don't know how to fly.
Glory, glory, what a heck of a way to die. And he ain't gonna jump no more.
They put him in a matchbox and they sent him home to mum.
They put him in a matchbox and they sent him home to mum. They put him in a matchbox and they sent him home to mum. And he ain't gonna jump no more. Glory, glory, what a heck of a way to die. Suspended by your braces when you don't know how to fly. Glory, glory, what a heck of a way to die. And he ain't gonna jump no more. She put him on the mantelpiece for everyone to see.
She put him on the mantelpiece for everyone to see.
She put him on the mantelpiece for everyone to see. And he ain't gonna jump no more. Glory, glory, what a heck of a way to die. Suspended by your braces when you don't know how to fly. Glory, glory, what a heck of a way to die, and he ain't gonna jump no more. She put him on the table when the vicar came to tea. She put him on the table when the vicar came to tea. She put him on the table when the vicar came to tea, and he ain't gonna jump no more. Glory, glory, what a heck of a way to die, suspended by your braces when you don't know how to fly. Glory, glory, what a heck of a way to die, and he ain't gonna jump no more.
The vicar spread him on some toast and said, what lovely jam.
The vicar spread him on some toast and said, what lovely jam. The vicar spread him on some toast and said, what lovely jam, and he ain't gonna jump no more. Glory, glory, what a heck of a way to die, suspended by your braces when you don't know how to fly. Glory, glory, what a heck of a way to die, and he ain't gonna jump no more.
Lovely trombone ending there. Beep.
Not enough rude verses, I'm so sorry.
But you have some smashing campfires.
Yeah.
Gonna miss you too when you start back with your scouting. It's been sort of great seeing you most weeks. There we are.
First you don't succeed, skydiving is not for you.
Don't need a parachute to go skydiving. You only need a parachute to go skydiving twice.
I've got a request for Chaz and Jan. Before you go back to face-to-face scouting and you can't be with us anymore, will you do the push the plunger in song, especially for John?
No.
Especially for John.
No.
Well, especially for the rest of us, not John necessarily.
Some people haven't heard it yet. Some people would be enthralled by
I've never heard it.
Wouldn't.
Star in the East. Yep. Go on, you've got to do that. You've got to do it.
There's also the Cornish version. Going up Camborne Hill, coming down. Going up Camborne Hill, coming down. The horses stood still and the wheels went around. Going up Camborne Hill, coming down. And we pull the damper in.
Oh, there you are, you see?
Yeah, I've shut the bugger up now.
Yeah, you muted him.
That's the best way.
He is muted.
Right, Alan, come on.
Right, I have something about. I have a little Malbec here.
I was going to say, I bet it's a Malbec.
It is. I love Malbec. Yeah.
Wonderfully wonderful, I have to say.
I've been dabbling in country music. Here's a country song, and to be honest, my opinion is that a lot of country music is merely folk music with big hats and bling. You know, if you take the big hats, the wigs and the bling away, really they're talking about music that communicates to people, and they do love a miserable song. And this is one of the most miserable songs I've ever come across. It's called Whiskey Lullaby, and it's sort of made famous by Brad Paisley, who's a smashing performer, and the newcomer called Alison Krauss. It's a lovely key. Dadgad, for those, I'm playing in Dadgad, and without boring you, well, no, I am boring you, I'll stop. I'm playing in Dadgad anyway. It's a lovely tuning to get to grips, and you can noodle around for hours and find new chord positions that you didn't know existed. Anyway, it's in Dadgad, it's called Whiskey Lullaby. She put him out like the burning end of a midnight cigarette. She broke his heart. He spent his whole life trying to forget. We watched him drink his pain away, a little at a time. but he never could get drunk enough to get her off his mind till the night. He put that bottle to his head and pulled the trigger. Finally drank away his memories. Life is short, but this time it was bigger than the strength he had to get up off his knees. They found him with his face down in the pillow, with a note that said, I'll love her till I die. And when we buried him beneath the willow, the angels sang a whiskey lullaby. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. The rumors flew, but nobody knew how much she blamed herself for years and years. She tried to hide the whiskey on her breath. She finally drank her pain away a little at a time, but she never could get drunk enough to get him off her mind until the night she put that bottle to her head and pulled the trigger, and finally drank away his memory. Life is short, but this time it was bigger than the strength she had to get up off her knees. We found her with her face down in the pillow, clinging to his picture for dear life. We laid her next to him beneath the willow, while the angels sang a whiskey lullaby. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. She put him out like the burning end of a midnight cigarette. La 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 la. La 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 la. Sad song. I mean, they know about sad songs, these country people, with their big
Some
hearts.
miserable songs in my life, but I think that one takes.
You made me eyes leak, Alan.
I'm surprised Alan could sing it, because he normally gets emotional about things like that.
Yeah.
Just put yourself in poor Wendy's position. I've learned that in a week. You know, the old learn a new song in a week, learn a new song in a week. So I was last weekend. I was thinking about songs, and I came across that one. I thought, yeah, I could probably find my way around that one. And the trick is to learn the original from a recording and then don't listen to the recording again, so that your version can wander where it wants to be.
Hey, that's what I do all the time.
It's not a copy, it's your own version of the song.
Your version, I agree.
It was wonderful.
Well, you
If you-
wanted
if you-
it beautifully, Alan.
If you go on YouTube and you put in Whiskey Lullaby and a video comes up of an American GI coming home from the war, don't watch it without a hanky. That's all I'm going to say.
All right. Oh dear.
Right, we're halfway around, but I'm going all the way. We're all going to do one. If we can have one per box, please, and nothing too long, eh? And no pushing bloody dampers. That goes on forever. Right, I need something a bit lively after that last one, so I'm going to thrash it. Well, the Diamond is a ship, me lads, for the Davy Strait she's bound, and the key it is all garnished with bonny lasses round. Captain Thompson gives the order to sail the ocean wide, where the sun never sets, me lads, no darkness in the sky. And it's cheer up, me lads, your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a fishing for the whale. Just turn the volume down a bit. All along the quay at Peterhead, and the lasses stand around, where the shawls are pulled around the man, the salt is running down. Don't weep, me body lasses, though you be left behind, for the rose will grow on Greenland's ice before we change our mind. And it's cheer up, me lads, your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a fishing for the whale. Here's a health to the Resolution, likewise the Eliza Swan. Here's a health to the Battle of Montrose and Diamond Ship of Fame. Where the trousers all the white and the jackets are the blue, when we return to Peterhead, real history had to know. And it's cheer up, me lads, your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a fishing for the whale. It will be light midday and night when the Greenland lads come home. We're a ship that's full way on the boys and money to our name. We'll make the cradles for to rock and the blankets for to tear, and every lass in Peterhead sings Hush-a-bye, my dear. And it's cheer up, me lads, your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a fishing for the whale. Whew.
Oh, oh, come on, telegraph the ending. Telegraph the ending. We don't want those false endings. Everybody goes like that and then you carry on. That's the trouble.
It's a great song with a great
That's
ending.
real sweat you've got there.
I know.
That wasn't too bad, John.
That was good, mate.
Oh, yes. He was into the rhythm there.
Very quickly on to the blind man.
This song is called My Love is in America. It's about the
yes,
the emigration of people from Ireland during the potato famine in the mid 1800s.
I'll join you in the chorus, Mike, but I shall be muted.
Good. Called to this place by my working hand, the sea crossing turned my inside.
We left to the sound of a marching band. We sailed at the change of the tide. When I saw Mary, her father said, they were sailing across the deep blue for brighter days in a promised land, and Mary's going there too. But I keep her in my mind. There's a picture on my wall. My love is in America. My love could be anywhere at all. Oh, how he cried on that darkest night, everyone leaving the land. The old generation just sitting tight, all us young bucks making plans. I'm using the name of another man to get a new job with more pay. I walk these strange streets for a better life. London's the place, so they say. But I keep her in my mind. There's a picture on my wall. My love is in America. My love could be anywhere at all. The music's the one thing that's travelled well. We meet up and play from our soul. In the kitchen, the workplace, the 7 bells. It gives us a glimpse of our home. Maybe I'll go out to New York State. Maybe I'll get up and go. Maybe I'll go back to my hometown. If there's some work, I don't know. But I keep her in my mind. There's a picture on my wall. My love is in America. My love could be anywhere at all. I've sent many letters to no avail. Her silence is deafening to me. Maybe she's living with another man out in the new country. Until I know, I'll keep her in my mind. There's a picture on my wall. My love is in America. My love could be anywhere at all. My love is in America. My love could be anywhere at all.
Lovely, lovely.
It doesn't get better than that, Mike.
That's one of my favourites, Michael.
Favourite of all that. Yeah. And I think the glasses make it even better.
That's what I just said.
I can't read my cribs.
I know,
but no. Well, there we are. It's a good bit of. It's to rehabilitate you towards seeing people live, face to face. By the way, I must just mention, if you buy this Malbec from Home Bargains. If you get Argentinian Malbec, you would think it would all be good, wouldn't you? But this is called El Tesoro de las Montañas. I think it means the shit from the mountains.
Well, you did get it from Home Bargains.
Is it that bad? Well,
I'll give it a whirl, though. I won't throw it down the drain.
Can I recommend this one?
Tonic in it.
Bottle. Is it? How many times you get red wine in a clear bottle? That should tell you something, Alan.
It's not clear. It's not clear. It's not clear. It's a green bottle hanging on the wall.
And isn't Malbec a French for bad nose?
Moving on. We're short of time.
I recommend
it probably
this one.
is. Yeah. We should ask Evelyn. Yeah.
There we are. This is a wonderful wine. $4.88 a bottle.
They're short of time.
Alan's trying
We're
to look
short
at
on bloody time. Come on, shut up.
Mute him then, for God.
Okay then. Righto, I believe the German for a good red is gut rot. There we go. La 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 la. Now marriage I know is a noble estate. The duties are many, the burdens are great. But nowhere at all in the vows does it state that a husband must cut his wife's toenails. I promise to share everything that I own, me passion preserved for me personal own. In the matter of toenails, it's each to his own, 'cause I'm damned if I'm cutting your toenails. I'd climb any mountain for your love so pure, I'd swim any ocean, all hardships endure, but I never would stoop to commit pedicure, as the Greeks used to call cutting toenails. I promise to share everything that I own, my passion preserve for your personal own. In the matter of toenails, it's each to his own, 'cause I'm damned if I'm cutting your toenails. I promise to love you till death us do part, cry tears by the bucket each hour we're apart. Love your every fibre with all of me heart, apart from the ones in your toenails. I promise to share everything that I own, my passion preserve for your personal own. And the matter of toenails, it's each to his own, 'cause I'm damned if I'm cutting your toenails. I'll offer you comfort whenever you cries, I promise to wipe every tear from your eyes. Wipe your nose or your bum should occasion arise, but I'm damned if I'm cutting your toenails. I promise to share everything that I own, my passion preserve for your person alone. In the matter of toenails, it's each to his own, 'cause I'm damned if I'm cutting your toenails. I promise to try to get on with your folks, put up with your father and laugh at his jokes. I might even agree not to cut your mum's throat, but I'd sooner cut that than your toenails. I promise to share everything that I own, me passion preserve for your person alone. In the matter of toenails, it's each to his own, 'cause I'm damned if I'm cutting your toenails.
Oh, classic, absolute classic.
Oh, I've not heard that for years. A good one, that.
Wonderful.
Tune.
Yes.
That tune couldn't be anything other than Irish, could it?
There you go.
That's Cornish, that, isn't it?
It's very Jake Thackeray in style, I think. That's the song, but there we are. I'm being a bit. I'll zip
not
myself
the
down.
performance. Alan,
Yes,
it's you.
I know. As it's autumn, it's not a proper song. And I have done this at Rill when it was a Colours or Weather Night, so. But I'll do it again. First repeat of the year. It's called Autumn Glory. She takes her brush and paints them all with glowing reds and browns, till with a tide with age they fall upon the fallow ground. Sheer autumn glory, sheer autumn glory, sheer autumn glory, scattered all around. The berries in the hedge she sints and colours sunsets too. Those vivid shades she never stints, refreshes them anew. With autumn glory, with autumn glory, with autumn glory for all of us to view. I catch my breath in wonderment when she views a favourite scene. She held it in a secret mist as if it had not been. That autumn glory, that autumn glory, that autumn glory, was it just a dream? The wood fires with their pungent scent fill the valley neath the stream. My heart beats with astonishment, the mist is gone, I've had my fill of autumn glory, of autumn glory, of autumn glory, before the winter's chill. She takes a brush and paints them all with glowing reds and browns, till with the tide with age they fall upon the fallow ground. We're autumn glory, that autumn glory, that autumn glory, before the winter's chill.
Oh, beautiful, Al. Beautiful. Beautiful. Go on, Al. For a not proper song, that's pretty proper to me.
Yep, I'll give you a banana.
Oh, yeah, excellent.
Splendid.
Well, we've got a song from Gwyn now, haven't we?
Yes, we have. It's wonderful to see Dave Costello with us, although he might have disappeared. This is what he used to do. He got it off Richard and Linda Thompson, but I know it by James Carr, probably one of the greatest soul singers in the world. It was written by Chips Moman and Dan Penn, and it's a heartbreak song, Dark End of the Street. At the dark end of the street, that's where we'd always meet, living in shadows, we don't belong. Hiding in darkness to hide our wrong. You and me at the dark end of the street. I know time's gonna take its toll. You're gonna pay for this love we stole. It's a sin, and I know it's wrong, but our love keeps coming on strong. Steal away the dark end of the street, you and me. They're gonna find us, gonna find us, gonna find us someday. You and me, the dark end of the street. You and me. When old time's gonna take its toll, you have to pay for this love we stole. we should meet. Walk on by. Oh, darling, please don't cry. You and me at the dark end of the street. The dark end of the street. You and me.
Yes, Gwyn. Yeah, I think that's almost Durno, you know.
Lovely, Gwen.
Gwyn's guitar is the Durno effect on me. I think.
You know, I have been on stage with Jeff Durno.
There you go.
It's one of my claims to fame.
It's obviously where you get the Durno effect from.
Well, to think that somebody has just classed me in the same league as Jeff Durno, beyond anybody's wildest dreams.
So if you can't get a box of Durnos, if you can manage to get the odd TGW intravenously, Tigwin, are you available intravenously as well? Sorry, it's the Malbec speaking.
It's a cheap Malbec.
I've steered clear of putting anything in my veins for a very long time.
That's a very good idea. Very good idea. Very good.
So,
Very good.
yes.
Did Paul say that Malbec was actually a bad nose? The French for a bad nose.
I think it roughly translates like that, yeah.
Well, there we go.
John Dublin.
But Gaffer then said that German was got.
On the chat, your number, because I might be able to get the computer this Tuesday. Because,
okay, Gwen.
Because the football thing has changed. They're going back to meetings now, so I might get the computer.
Okay, Gwen, wait for this. I'll get you there.
Access to your own computer, it's a desirable thing, isn't it?
It's yeah.
Brian and Sue.
Oh, there they are. Sue, will you say...
He's got his gob iron ready.
Sue, will you just say for me, what can I do for your pet? She won't.
What can I do
Don't look
for
at...
your pet?
Oh, lovely! Sorry, Brian. I'll be having fun and dreams.
He won't sleep tonight, Sue.
Oh, that was lovely. Lovely. What can I do for your pet?
Right.
Not for you, Bonnie lad.
I'm back in the mid-70s.
Come to Antiviera. Yeah.
This is a significant song for us, not because of the song itself, but it's the 50th one we sang on Rill. It's the 50th different song. It's Harvest Moon, Neil Young.
Closer, hear what I have to say. Just like children sleeping, we could dream this night away. But there's a full moon rising. Let's go dancing in the night. We know where the music's playing. Let's go out and feel the night. Because I'm still in love with you, I wanna see you dance again. because I'm still in love with you on this harvest moon. Strangers, I watched you from afar. When we were lovers, I loved you with all my heart. But now it's getting late and the moon is climbing high. I wanna celebrate, see it shining in your eyes. Because I'm still in love with you, I wanna see you dance again. Because I'm still in love with you on this harvest moon. Because I'm still in love with you, I wanna see you dance again. Because I'm still in love with you on this harvest moon.
Neil Young. Woohoo.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank
Sue, you're carrying him. You're carrying him, Sue. That's the
You've
truth.
got strong arms.
When did you start coming here?
I can tell you exactly. It was 26th of March, and we started coming every 2 weeks, and then last 6 weeks or so we've been every week.
Oh.
But we're on a countdown now. This is only 3 after tonight, unless you.
Have you only been doing it this year? Because I thought you'd been here for quite a lot longer.
No.
We all think we've known each other for about 2 years. I've only been
There
here
is,
for
you do get that
so-
feel, don't you?
Yeah.
They've been breathing for quite a while. Breathing.
Oh yeah.
I can't believe I know John Warburton for this long.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's 12
It's
months.
like I've known him all my life, but I haven't known him that long at all, really.
I think it's 12 months that we've been here. It's fantastic.
It is.
Absolutely wonderful.
Cherry Hiscock
Might be
sent
for
us
you.
this way.
Oh,
Yeah, it is for me. I don't care if you don't like my music.
I love your
we love
music.
it. We love it, John.
Love it.
Love it.
We're fishing.
Yeah,
Whoop, I've got one.
He took it line and sinker.
No, we love it too, honestly.
Wonderful.
Well, thank you everyone for all the lovely, lovely things you've put on the chat. And we've got another 3 weeks yet.
I know.
So I was told when we started to finish sort of 10:30ish, but bollocks to that. I'm going to
Yeah,
go.
yeah.
I agree.
You go for that, John.
Oh, chairman's up on his feet. Chairman's up on his feet. Chairman's up on his feet.
Well, someone hold him down, for God's sake.
Sit down.
Jim Moderno.
Sit down, Chairman. Sit down.
Oh, he's gonna unmute himself. Look at this now. Hang on, Ruth's not there, and Andrew's going to unmute himself.
He can't
his
do
own.
it. He can't do it.
No,
Look.
he's trying. He's trying. Look, that's his
Andrew, you can
concentration
do it.
face. Oh, he's
No,
gone.
it's just-
He's gone. He's gone.
That's reassuring that your chairman is so good at listening, isn't it?
Leave meeting. Are you sure? Yes, I'm bloody well sure. Yeah.
Alan, are you missing the next few weeks, Alan? Or
No. We've cancelled half our holidays. Did I mention Bertie?
No, you better spend the rest of the evening telling us.
Nah, we're just going to go away for a couple of weeks, and we'll sort out between me and John hosting and what have you. I hope to join you every week anyway, but I do have to negotiate terms with a Yorkshire woman, which is always tricky.
You were meant to be quiet tonight, you know, Alan. Can you remember that?
You're right. I am now.
Talking about terms and
Get the
conditions.
accordion out, for God's sake.
Talking about terms and conditions, that the big news around this area is the bloke from Chester who took Ryanair to court after his luggage went missing. But it cost him a fortune, but unfortunately he's lost his case.
Oh no!
Oh,
You sure you don't want to stop at 10:30, John?
oh, what a cracker! What a cracker that was!
And there's John Roberts.
Oh,
John
Paul,
Roberts is
come on,
sitting
Paul,
there.
you got to help us out this one, Paul. You got to get going. Stop him, for God's sake.
John Roberts is sitting there with a wealth of really good jokes, and he hears shite like that, John. What do you think?
I think it's going downhill fast now.
Paul, come on!
The chairman's gone and we're out of control.
We will get this way. It was another song about death, but more cheerfully done. This is by Brian Hooper again, who's many of his songs I sing. There's a couple of references here about the General is our local hospital, the Southampton General, and Regent's Park is a suburb of Southampton. That was the home of the British American tobacco factory until it closed down. They were suspiciously close together, the tobacco factory and the hospital. I wonder if one was making work for the other. You might remember a brand of cigar called Hamlet, hence the reference to Ophelia, and I'm sure you're all old enough to remember the strap line about "You're never alone with a strand," and the brand of cigarettes called Players Weights, and you'll know all the other references because you're all from...
Cool Keir Constant, I remember.
Nice chorus too. So. He was sitting on a bench outside the General as I parked me bike and took my helmet off. And he called to me to say he used to ride a BSA, but he'd had to pack it in, it made him cough. He said, me lovely wife, she went before me, I keeps her ashes in a little urn. And I've asked our eldest daughter to scatter us on the waters of the test, so we'll flow together when it comes me turn. It was cigarettes what took her, and they'll do the same for me, though they always seemed a good thing for the town. Ah, the smell of sweet Virginia drifting over Regent's Park, now the old tobacco factory's closing down. He said, I reckon if it wasn't for tobacco, Churchill would have never won the war, and Sherlock Holmes had never have been so bleeding clever, and she might not have died so premature. Bizet would have never written Carmen, Ophelia might have picked a different man, and I'd not sit here mourning because we didn't heed the warning, but I'd still be all alone without a strand. It was cigarettes what took her, and they'll do the same for me, though they always seemed a good thing for the town. Ah, the smell of sweet Virginia drifting over Regent's Park, now the old tobacco factory's closing down. Now Now if Raleigh hadn't brought his duty-frees back to please his queen and earn her grateful thanks, well, later in the day they would have got here anyway, but at least we could have blamed the bleeding Yanks. She wasn't what you'd call a raving beauty, but we loved each other, faithful down the years. Now she's waiting by the gates with a pack of players' weights, and with any luck she'll have gone to fetch the beers. It was cigarettes what took her, and they'll do the same for me, though they always seemed a good thing for the town. Ah, the smell of sweet Virginia drifting over Regent's Park. Now the old tobacco factory's closing down. Ah, the smell of sweet Virginia drifting over Regent's Park. Now the old tobacco factory's closing down.
Hey, nice one, Paul.
The man
Reminds me of my dad, that smell of tobacco.
My mum and dad were inveterate smokers. They never stopped. And when they died, Mum died first, and we kept her in No, my dad died first, sorry. And we kept her in the sweetie jar that they give you the ashes in. And then when Mum died, we got her sweetie jar with the ashes in. And we went out to Llandudno, which they loved, and threw their ashes into the sea together. And one went that way and the other went that way. I thought, that's typical, that is.
When you say inveterate smoker, do you mean they didn't have a backbone? Is that
yes, not invertebrate.
They were too weak to give up. Yeah.
Blame it on the Melbic. Blame it on the Melbic.
Yeah.
There's a lot of very famous people's ashes on the Great Orme, in fact. A lot of music hall stars.
Right.
Yeah.
The man in that song really existed, but he didn't say all the things that the songwriter attributed to.
But he's not here to argue now, is he?
No, he isn't. Rather spookily, though, the day after Brian first sang that, his daughter, the one who was scattering the ashes on the River Test, rang him to tell him that he died. So,
Hey, Gwyn, were Alex Munro's ashes buried on the Orme?
I'm not. There's a massive list of theatricals.
My first PA I bought off Alex Munro.
Yeah.
What, before he died?
Yeah, of course. When he lived a big house he lived in. I remember buying his old speakers and his pump up bloody mic stands and that off him. Yeah, he'd retired by then.
Wow.
This is why Gaffer's plants grow so well.
Yeah, Alex Munro's ashes.
I've had a good few scattered in my garden, and they don't go either. I think the rain and the winds we get on the Orme, you'd think they wouldn't last long. But
what about goat shit? Goat shit must
I was
help.
just about to say, you know.
You don't need to scatter that. Scatters itself.
We went, it's a few years back now, be about 5 years back, we went up to a graveyard up in the northeast of Scotland to scatter Leslie's mum's and dad's ashes together on this sort of little patch that had some other family graves in, and it was a real windy day and they were blowing away, so we had to get a watering can and sort of water them in so they didn't.
They'd love that, John. They'd love that.
I still
you could have used malt whiskey, couldn't you?
Oh, but it would have to pass through your bladder first, Alan.
It's like in the Great Lebowski.
Come on, you couldn't do that out. No.
That's the rule with malt whiskey. Yeah.
Leslie's dad always took water with his whiskey anyway.
There we are. You see, you're helping him.
Ryan, get us
I
out
still love the fact that Keith Richards rolled his father's ashes into a joint and smoked it. Well, there we are.
Ryan, come on.
Okay, this is I was in my teens and 20s. I was reared on bluegrass, so this is a bluegrass song by Dolly Parton from one of her bluegrass albums, called
That's
Cash on...
what John Warburton used to smoke, I think, isn't it? Bluegrass.
Yeah, probably. Anyway, this is called Cash on the Barrelheads. I got in a little trouble at the county seat. Lord, they put me in the jailhouse for loafing on the street. Well, the judge said guilty, and he made his point. He said $45 or 30 days in the joint. That will be cash on the barrelhead. You can take your choice as you're 21. No money down and no credit plan. No time to chase you, 'cause I'm a busy man. I found a telephone number on a laundry slip. I had a good-hearted jailer with a 6-gun hit. He let me call long distance, and she said, number, please. Just as soon as I told her, she shouted back at me, that will be cash on the barrelhead. No part or half, but the entire sum. No money down and no credit plan. 'Cause the little boy tells me you are the traveling kind. 30 days in the jailhouse and 4 days on the road. I was feeling mighty hungry, my feet a heavy load. I saw a Greyhound bus coming and I stuck out my thumb. As soon as I was seated, the driver caught my arm. He said, that will be cash on the barrelhead. This old grey dog get paid to run. When the engine starts, then the wheels will roll. Give me cash on the barrelhead and I'll take you down the road. Yes, cash on the barrelhead and I'll take you down the road.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Cash on the barrel. Great,
That was
bluegrass
great, Brian.
singer. I don't know why she didn't sing more, but there we go.
Thank you, Brian. And I'm being dead posh tonight. I'm pretending to be dead posh because I've got peanuts.
Oh.
Yeah, like Mike and Helen have.
No, ours were mixed nuts, not just peanuts.
No, bugger off.
This place is full of mixed nuts.
That's what you get from shopping in Waitrose, isn't it? You can't just buy a bag of peanuts, you've got to have mixed nuts.
It's a place for people who can't make up their minds, isn't it?
Of course one does, darling. One has mixed nuts.
I'm not sure what this says about our sanity, but we've been coming here since November last year.
Too
mad.
long.
And
What-
beloved.
What concerning your sanity?
Yeah.
Well, you're clearly lacking in that area.
I think we've concluded that, yeah.
We're very glad you keep coming back.
Is that a condition?
No. We're just very glad you keep coming back.
You mean a medical condition?
Oh.
You clear it up with sanity towels.
Oh my goodness.
Come on.
This is another bluegrass song, funnily enough. Bluegrass has a habit of making really miserable subjects into quite happy songs. So all the good times are past and gone. All the good times are past and gone. All the good times are over. All the good times are past and gone. Little darling, don't you weep no more. See that eastbound passenger train coming around the bend. It's taken away my own true love to never return again. All the good times are past and gone. All the good times are over. All the good times Don't you see that turtle dove flying from pine to pine? It's mourning for its own true love, just like I mourn for mine. All the good times are past and gone. All the good times are all the good times are past and gone. Little darling, don't you weep no more. Come back, my own true love, and stay a while with me. For if ever I've had a friend in this world, you've been a friend to me. All the good times are past and gone. All the good times are all the good times are past and gone. Little darling, don't you weep no more. All the good times are past and gone. All the good times are all the good times are past and gone. Little darling, don't you weep no more.
Oh, brilliant!
Thank you. Thanks again for having us. We have a lot of fun here.
Yes, indeed.
They were
a
good
lot of
times.
people
That's
joining
good
in that. There were a lot of people rocking about there and joining in.
Yeah,
Lovely.
it's a shame we can't all sing together. That would be good.
We were doing.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Right, thank you very much. Maureen.
All right. So as I sing this, think of the wildfires in this province. So the Everly Brothers sang this song, of course, in the 60s. They didn't write it. I'll never let you see the way my broken heart is hurting me. I've got my pride and I know how to hide all my sorrow and pain. I'll do my crying in the rain. If I wait for cloudy skies, you won't know the rain from the tears in my eyes. You'll never know that I still love you so, though the heartache remains. I'll do my crying in the rain. Raindrops falling from heaven will never wash away this misery. But since we're not together, I'll wait for stormy weather to hide these tears I hope you'll never see. Someday when my crying's done, I'm gonna wear a smile and walk in the sun. I may be a fool, but till then, darling, you'll never see me complain. I'll do my crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain. And they're tears of happiness when it rains here because we've had a drought.
Love it, Maureen.
Oh, yeah. Lovely.
Now, the Evs made that popular, but it was written by Carole King and somebody else.
Now a bit of calm.
It
bit of
says,
Oh,
it says
yes.
here on Lyric Find, Chandler, Chambers, Helms, and Henshaw.
Oh.
What do they know?
Sounds like Wikipedia to me, that one.
Does, yeah.
Right, and
Come on,
next
Jeff,
time
give
you
us a
see
dose of
Helen-
Journo, come on.
Maureen, next time you see Helen, give her our love.
I will. She did a feature on the Vancouver Folk Song Society, so she sang about 4 or 5 songs. Unfortunately, we don't record it.
Oh.
I know.
It's easy. It's easy. Jeff Durno, should we take water with a Durno or just take it neat? What do you
No,
reckon?
just have it neat. Yeah. Just
Okay.
Right
I'm
there.
waiting.
I remember that night, Gwyn. I remember that night when you came and you helped. It was like a shining armour, a knight in shining armour coming out.
Oh,
of the darkness.
yeah, John Prine number, Unwed Fathers. Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's one of the high spots of my life. That, Jeff, you know that. Yeah.
It just reminds me that anybody can forget the words. I mean, Jez Lowe can do it, so I can do it. So I haven't done this. I haven't done Unwed Fathers for a very long time. But the beauty of it is, if I try and do it now and forget the words, all I've got to do is mute myself, and Gwyn can finish it because he knows the words.
But when we were down in Parliament for the award, Martin Carthy forgot his words, and a bloke from our group, I think it was Colin, had to remind him of his words. That was a classic moment.
That would be, yeah. So we're in B flat, Gwyn, all right? In an Appalachian Greyhound station, she sits alone in the family way. Goodbye, brother. Tell Mum I love her. Tell all the others I'll be back someday. From a teenage lover to an unwed mother, kept under covers like some bad dream. But unwed fathers, well, they can't be bothered, and they run like water through a mountain stream. In a cold grey town, nurse says lay down. This ain't no playground, well it ain't no home. Somebody's children out having children. Cold grey building, far alone. From a teenage lover to an unwed mother, kept under cover like some bad dream. But unwed fathers, well, they can't be bothered, and they run like water through a mountain stream. And somewhere else bound, Smoky Mountain Greyhound, she hangs her head low, she's singing lullabies. Your daddy never meant to hurt you ever, but he just don't live here. But you got his eyes. From a teenage lover to an unwed mother, kept under covers like some bad dream. But unwed fathers, well, they can't be bothered, and they run like water through a mountain stream. Yes, they run like water through a mountain stream.
Whoa!
Ah, yes.
Beautiful.
Heart rate's gone down by 6.
Lovely.
Been journoed.
Forgetting all the words. Gwyn,
I'm here.
did I forget anything?
No, you were.
Oh, you're perfect.
I was mesmerised there, Jeff. Yeah, it took me back to that magic moment.
I know.
Come on.
He needs a Durno tablet now.
We've all been Durnoed.
Lovely,
Right,
Jeff.
yeah, I'm all sort of mellow now. Ian.
Yeah, mellow. You're mellow, John.
Impossible.
I would never, ever,
Call it mellow. We wouldn't ever
describe you as mellow.
Mellow.
We will have to put Jeff Durno on first.
Grumpy,
time
yes.
round, won't we?
So maybe we should start with Jeff Durno every time so John becomes mellow.
Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good.
He'll go to sleep.
Yeah, Jeff, you can turn grumpy into mellow in one song. What sort of talent is that?
I don't know. What's the Welsh word for that then?
It don't last long though. It soon wears off. Come on, Ian. Come on.
Okay.
Trausfurfio.
Oh, I'll forget that.
Actually, bollocks. But you can't turn John in mellow. It just doesn't work.
No. Now I look at him, you're right, John. Actually, you're right. Just look at him. Look at him and think of the word mellow. Look at him.
Shut up!
I'm just impressed that Leslie sat in the background.
I'll mute myself.
Saying anything.
Okay, right. Well, this is a song, a September song, very appropriate for the month, but it's also about rain. So, as Maureen said, we just hope and pray that they do get some rain very soon in those parts of Canada that have had the drought and the wildfires, and also the parts of the States that have had the same. And we also think about those parts of the States where there's been too much rain, like New York and parts of the Northeast where they've had the floods. So, anyway, this song has been sung by Ella Fitzgerald, amongst others, and it's September in the Rain. The leaves of brown came tumbling down, remember that September in the rain. The sun went down just like a dying ember, that September in the rain. For every word of love I heard you whisper, the raindrops seem to play a sweet refrain. Though spring is here, to me it's still September, that September in the rain. For every word of love I heard you whisper, the raindrops seem to play a sweet refrain. Though spring is here, to me it's still September, that September in the rain. I said that September in the rain. Thank you.
Goes. There he goes.
You sing all the songs that people forget they knew.
September in the rain. Well, we could do with a bit of rain, couldn't we?
Well, we've just had we've had anticyclonic gloom for day after day.
Well, we want a bit of sunshine now,
No, Maureen probably doesn't want rain.
But we've had cloud up here in Capel for about 2 weeks. We want sunshine.
Oh, you've
we
had
need it
rain.
Desperately.
You need rain. Maureen, you need rain, yeah?
Yes, I go out and I do a happy dance when we get a few sprinkles.
Well, you need to do more, Maureen. You need to rip off those clothes and
Get your powwow going. Get your powwow out.
Apparently, there were some kids from South Wales went over to Colombia and they set fire to it.
It does seem to be a thing about
Warby.
South Wales kids. Yeah, it does. Yeah. Mm.
Oh, we got Warby.
John.
Calm us down, John.
I've unmuted myself now. I'm just trying to make room. My lady is in the way here. Yeah. Oh, Charlie died last week.
I'm sorry, John, just get your priorities right now. Your lady was not in the way. You were in her way.
Yeah, I do apologise. I say sorry, Carol. I've had too much of this Conte Tolazan.
John, watch your bloody keyboard, mate.
Not Malbec.
No, not this time. I had that last night when I was
cheap.
in Warrington somewhere. But there we go.
Carol, put the laptop under a plastic bag.
laptop's away at the repairs.
Yes, I sent my laptop away for repairs the other day, and it should be back shortly.
Will it be waterproof, John?
I don't know, Alan. I just hope.
Got to be wineproof, not waterproof.
Wineproof.
It depends what sort of alcoholic the guy who repairs them is.
Yes, I'm told that distilled water is the thing to clean your keyboard with if you accidentally knock a glass of wine over it. So there we go.
Yeah, just once, not 3 times a week.
Twice. In 6 months. I don't know why I come here. All I
It
get
probably
is...
helps clean your liver as well if you have a bit of water.
You know something, I'm going home now. Oh, I am home. That's surprising, isn't it? Right, Charlie Watts died the other week. Probably the cleanest living Rolling Stone, and he goes and dies first, which is ridiculous. But this one's for him. I met a gin-soaked barroom queen in Memphis. They tried to take me upstairs for a ride. The lady said she covered me in roses. She blew my nose and then she blew my mind. It's a honky-tonk women. Gimme, gimme, gimme the honky-tonk girls. I tell you. I've forgotten the words.
That's bloody obvious.
Oh.
Just keep.
Repeat first verse, quick.
It's a honky-tonk women. Gimme, gimme, gimme the honky-tonk girls. I laid a divorcee in New York City. I had to put up with some kind of a fight. The lady said she covered me in roses. She blew my nose and then she blew my mind. It's a honky-tonk women. Gimme, gimme, gimme the honky-tonk girls. It's a honky-tonk women. You gotta gimme, gimme, gimme the honky-tonk girls. Woo!
Hey, that's good one, John.
It was almost very good, John.
Not quite.
on 3 bottles of Malbec, it's quite good, John.
She might have blew his mind, and then it's gone. But she didn't cut his toenails.
If you need to know that Mussolini.
Oh dear.
Jazz and Jan with Rum Bum and Concertina as a backing group.
Oh.
Yep.
Bees Knees.
No, Bees Knees. Sorry, Bees Knees. It's the Ken Davis is there. I think, as well, isn't it?
Well, funny you should mention that.
Yeah.
We thought it's a late night, so we'll have a late night song.
I'm going to put you on. I'm going to put you on speaker view here.
Well, I'm traveling so fast, my feet don't touch the ground. Traveling light, traveling light.
Well, I just can't wait to be with my baby tonight.
No comb on a toothbrush, I got nothing to hold. I'm carrying only a pocket full of dreams, a heart full of love, and they weigh nothing at all.
Boom, boom, boom.
Soon I'm gonna see that love look in her eyes. I'm a hoot and a holler away from paradise. Traveling light, traveling light. Well, I just can't wait to be with my baby tonight. No comb on a toothbrush, I got nothing to hold. I'm carrying only a pocket full of dreams, a heart full of love, and they weigh nothing at all.
Boom, boom, boom.
Soon I'm gonna see that love look in her eyes. I'm a hoot and a holler away from paradise. Traveling light, traveling light. Well, I just can't wait to be with my baby tonight. Well, I just can't wait to be with my baby tonight. Well, I just can't wait.
We've all said that before.
Oh, but he seems
fantastic.
I remember that picture. I remember that group. I remember that view. Oh my god! I feel very old now.
Yeah. There was. If you look on YouTube, you'll find John Sebastian, Donovan, and Hans Theessink doing a version of that, which is interesting.
Not as good as that one though.
No, not at all. Jazz and Jan are wonderful.
Was interesting.
I think that was about the only song that they let Ken Davis sing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And it was just a piss take.
Yeah.
Right, Alan, is Alan there or not?
Get Bertie to do a turn.
Looks like
Looks like Bertie's going to have to do his thing.
Come on,
Looks
Bertie,
like
where
he's
are you?
taking his dog out for a crap.
Oh, come on, Alan. We've waited all night for you. Oh, he's back.
Dog's taking Alan out for a crap, eh?
Yeah. Alan.
For a pee. He's been out for a pee. He didn't know what he was going out for, but bless him, he managed to pee.
Oh, we thought we'd taken you out for a pee.
I thought I would video it and share it with you. But I was advised against it.
Was it a backslash or was it a forward slash or forward slash or backslash?
It's always a backslash. I just get my picky picks on. I'm sorry, it was an emergency. Well, it was an emergency, and that if I didn't attend to it on an urgent basis, I would be in trouble.
You'd have been in A&E.
Oh yeah. Adran Argovum. This is a Beatles song that they thought was the closest thing to a folk song what they wrote, and you'll know it. I'm in Dadgad, you see, I'm in Dadgad, so I'm stuck. go. I once had a girl, or should I say, she once had me. She showed me her room, isn't it good, Norwegian wood. She asked me to stay, she told me to sit anywhere. And I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. I sat on her rug, biding my time, drinking her wine. We talked until 2, and then she said, it's time for bed. She said that she waked in the morning and started to laugh. I said that I couldn't and crawled up to sleep in the bath, as you do. And when I awoke, I was alone. This bird had flown. Should try that again. And then I awoke, I was alone. This bird had flown. So I lit a fire, isn't it good, Norwegian wood? She said a little bit worked in the morning and started to laugh. I said that I couldn't and crawled up to sleep in the bath, as you do. And when I awoke, I was alone. This bird had flown. So I lit a fire, isn't it good, Norwegian wood?
That was brilliant.
Norwegian wood on a buttered sheep melbit. Good.
Oh, lovely, Alan.
Oh,
Since
gone.
when have
It's
you
gone.
had a bath?
Bath? I don't have a bath.
Bath?
I didn't say bath.
It's a
For
bath.
God's sake.
Bath.
Yeah, bath.
Oh, no.
Oh, you did say bath.
Yes, you did say bath.
We've got about 15 witnesses that said you said bath.
I'm very pleased to
Hand me the revolver.
pronunciation.
No, you
And
need
the
a
day
sword.
that Lennon sang Bath was when he
Alan.
was shot.
You don't have a gun. You need a knife and a sword to kill
I
yourself
just
with.
wish I could undo what I've just
Too late.
undone.
It's recorded as well. It's recorded.
Yeah.
The world
It'll be
knows
coming
that
out
you
tomorrow.
had a
That you had a bath.
No. I'm gonna listen very carefully to this.
It makes up for Garage last week, doesn't it?
Garage? You mean garage?
Garage, my dear. Garage.
Bath, bath.
Nigel Farage.
That's him.
He's a bloke.
From the black country, from somebody from Birmingham. That's why baths and baths were invented.
Oh, right.
Right then.
What's he on?
That'll be the world according to Gaffer. I think he's on Malbec.
Black country and Birmingham is how they say bath or bath.
He's not been Durno, does he?
Both keep cold.
He's on those mushrooms that look
He's
like.
not had an intravenous Durno, has he? No, he hasn't.
There we are. Battle gone.
I've run a couple of minutes over tonight, and my
It
whiskers,
doesn't matter, John. It's been a great
my
evening.
whiskers sat in the kitchen waiting for me.
Hello,
So-
Leslie. I see Leslie in the background first time.
Hello, Leslie.
No, she's because she's blogging tomorrow.
She's been very quiet this evening.
She's writing all sorts
We've
of
had
stuff.
no Doric whatsoever.
So,
No,
Leslie,
she
we
knows
must have that
forward
Alan said
slash
bath in the
backward.
blog.
Or as Alan might put it, that John's actually been very noisy.
Oh yes, maybe the way. Your words, not mine, Paul.
Bottle of gear. All back.
Oh, bless them. Look what Chaz and
Oh,
Jan have got in their
hey.
background.
Oh.
Have a look at what Chaz and Jan have got in their background.
We've seen that before.
Most
We've
people
done
there.
that.
Most people are dead. There. Most people are dead. I'm still alive.
It's still alive, Alan. That's good.
Oh, I'm gonna pin you so I can see that. Oh, there. Oh no, they're not all dead.
I'm going to stop the recording.
Only
and
two.
then
Only two of them are dead.
let's press
Three
the
of them are
button.
alive.
Stop the recording, for God's sake.
One is incommunicado.